Hello everyone and welcome to Fatma Sami's channel. Today's video is for the first grade semester 1. In this video, we're gonna do some exercises on Unit 8, Class Book. Unit 8, I like cakes. Exercise number 1, listen and follow. Let's get ready for the party. Yes, let's make lemonade. I've got lemons. I like lemonade. I've got apples for the party. Great. I like lemonade and I like apples. Let's make cakes too. Yes, good idea. I like lemonade and I like apples and I like cakes. I like parties too. Exercise number 2. Listen, point and say. Listen carefully. Number 1. Lemonade. Lemonade. Number 2. Lemons. Lemons. Number 3. Apples. Apples. Number 4. Cakes. Cakes. Exercise number 1. Listen and circle. Listen carefully. Number 1. Lemons. Number 2. Apples. Number 3. Cakes. Number 4. Lemonade. Now, check your answers. Exercise number 2. Listen and number. Listen carefully. Number 1. I like cakes. Number 2. I like lemons. Number 3. I like apples. Number 4. I like lemonade. Now, check your answers. Exercise number 3. Listen, then say. I like apples. I like lemonade. Exercise number 1. Watch or listen. Point to Meg and Tom. Let's read the story. The summer party. Hello. Hi, Sami. I've got 6 cakes. I like cakes. Me too. I've got lemonade. I don't like lemonade. How about juice? Oh, yes, please. I've got carrots. I like carrots. Say please, Mazen. Sorry, carrots, please. Okay, Mazen. Thank you. I've got grapes. I don't like grapes. What are these? They are apples. Oh, I like apples. Thank you, Lily. Let's have cakes. Tom? Meg? It's okay. I've got sweets. Oh, yes, please. Exercise number 1. Listen again. Then listen. Look and match. Listen carefully. Number 1. I've got 6 cakes. I like cakes. Number 2. I have got lemonade. Number 3. I've got carrots. Number 4. I've got grapes. Now, check your answers. Exercise number 2. Listen, point and say. Number 1. Juice. Juice. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots. Number 3. Grapes. Grapes. Number 4. Sweets. Sweets. Exercise number 3. Listen and circle. Listen carefully. Number 1. I don't like sweets. Number 2. I like apples. Number 3. I don't like juice. Number 4. I like cakes. Now, check your answers. In this page, we're gonna learn about how to make a food plate. Follow the steps shown in the page to make a food plate. Exercise number 1. Listen and match. Listen carefully. Number 1. I like grapes. Number 2. I don't like carrots. Number 3. I like sweets. Number 4. I don't like cakes. Now, check your answers. Exercise number 2. Draw. Draw the type of the food you like in the first basket and the food you don't like in the second one. Exercise number 3. Listen, then say. I like apples. I don't like lemons. I like carrots. I don't like grapes. Exercise number 1. Look and say the sentences with I like or I don't like. Number 1. I like apples. I don't like lemons. Number 2. I like cakes. I don't like grapes. Number 3. I like cakes. I don't like sweets. Number 4. I like grapes. I don't like apples. Number 5. I like lemons. I don't like carrots. Number 6. I like juice. I don't like lemonade. Learning Club. Numbers and telling the time. Exercise number 1. What do we use to tell the time? We use numbers. Exercise number 2. Listen, point, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exercise number 3. Look and say the missing numbers. Let's see the answers. A. 3, 4, 5, 6. The missing number is 5. B. 9, 10, 11, 12. The missing numbers are number 10 and number 12. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. The missing numbers are 2, 3, and 4. D. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The missing numbers are number 7, number 8, and number 9. Exercise number 4. Listen, point, and say. Number 1. 2 o'clock. Number 2. 7 o'clock. Number 3. 11 o'clock. Number 4. 9 o'clock. Exercise number 1. Listen and tick. Listen carefully. Number 1, 4 o'clock. Number 2, 9 o'clock. Number 3, 1 o'clock. Number 4, 5 o'clock. Now, check your answers. Exercise number 2. Look, draw and say. I'll show you my answers as an example. A, 1 o'clock. B, 2 o'clock. C, 4 o'clock. D, 9 o'clock. Now, show what you know. Make a clock. Use these materials to make a clock. Exercise number 1. Listen and write. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exercise number 2. Listen, point and say. Listen carefully. Number 1. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. Number 2. What is the time? It's 5 o'clock. Number 3. What's the time? It's 8 o'clock. Number 4. What's the time? It's 9 o'clock. Exercise number 4. Listen and match. Listen carefully. Number 1. I get up at 6 o'clock. Number 2. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 3. I have lunch at 2 o'clock. Number 4. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. Now check your answers. Exercise number 5. Read and draw the times for you. I'll show you my answers as an example. I get up at 5 o'clock. I go to school at 7 o'clock. I have lunch at 3 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. We have reached to the end of our video today. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.